Kung kayo po ang pipili, ano ang gusto niyong uri ng buhay? Kasiya-siya o kasya-kasya? Kasiya-siya. No. Sabi po ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo in the book of John chapter 10, verse 10, a thief, referring to Satan, comes to steal, kill, and destroy. But I came, sabi niya, I came to give life, life that is full and good. Ang tanong, how do we truly live a full life? Ang banal na aklat po ay nag-o-offer ng tinatawag na roadmap and compass to guide us towards a life full with purpose, joy, and meaning. What is the fullness of life? At paano po ba natin mararanasan ito at saan natin ito matatagpuan? Mga kapatid, remember that the fullness of life is a life of purpose and meaning. Sabi ng iba, Pastor, aksidente lang ang pagkakasilang sa akin. Wala pong aksidente. Tayo po ay nilikha ng Diyos, bawat sa po sa atin, na mayroong unique gifts and talents. Na ito po ay designed for a specific purpose, again sa katuparan ng kanyang grand plan sa bawat isa po sa atin. And discovering and fulfilling this purpose brings immeasurable satisfaction and joy sa buhay po ng bawat isa po sa atin. It gives our lives meaning and direction, providing a sense of belongings and significance. Maaari pong ito ay paglilingkod natin sa ating kapwa o pursuing a specific vocation or simply living out our faith in everyday life natin. Ano po? When we align our lives with God's will, mga kapatid, ay atin po madidiscover yung sense of purpose and direction that shines our every actions with meaning. We find ourselves engaged in work that matters, relationship that nourish, and a life that reflects the love and compassion of our God sa buhay po ng bawat sa po sa atin. The fullness of life is a life filled with love and compassion. Ang paalala po ng 1 John chapter 4 verse 7 to 8 sa atin na ito. Dear friends, we should love each other. Love is not just an emotion. Love is not just a feelings because our feeling change, our feeling comes and goes. But love is kind actions. Love is what we do. Love is doing kind deeds and saying kind words. Love is giving, forgiving, thanking, complimenting. Lahat ng magandang bagay at mabuting bagay. The fullness of life is a life characterized by peace and joy. Mga kapatid, ang tunay na kagalakan at tunay na kapayapaan, yan ay naramdaman mo. May kasama ka man o wala, damang-dama mo yan. May problema ka na mo wala, damang-dama mo ang kapayapaan at kagalakan na nagmumula sa ating Diyos. Iniwan ka man ng ex mo, pero kailanman hindi ka iiwanan ng ating Panginoon sapagkat ang ating Diyos ay tapat sa lahat ng panahon. Because Jesus said in His Word, in this world, you may have troubles. Si Jesus nagsabi niya na sa mundong ito meron kang mga alalahanin. But Jesus said also, but in me, you may have peace. In your presence, there is fullness of joy. At your right hand are pleasures forever. Wow! Mga kapatid, tandaan po natin, the fullness of life cannot be found by what the world offers. But the fullness of life can found only in God. The foundation of a full life is an exciting, intimate relationship with our God. And this involves regular prayer, regular studying God's Word, seeking His guidance, and fellowshipping with other believers. And it is about surrendering our will to His will, trusting in His plan, and experiencing the peace that surpasses all understanding. My dear brethren, my brothers and sisters, I appeal to all of you, let us all strive to live the fullness life, sharing each blessing with those around us, and reflecting the glory of God in all that we do.